2022 is going to be an amazing year to get into the business of weddings. The door of opportunity will be wide open to those that haven't had a lot of experience or who don't have a deep portfolio yet. Because of all the rescheduled weddings in 2020 and 2021, along with the reality that established florists are emotionally exhausted and less eager to hustle for the work, there will be a lot of couples willing to take a chance on a newer floral professional next year. Providing excellent customer service and a polished professional journey from start to finish for the client will immediately put a newer floral business on the fast track to long-term success. My course will ground you and take the anxiety and uncertainty out of managing weddings. It makes sure you are pricing properly for profitability, gives you the strategies for marketing, walks you through the details of prop planning specifically for weddings, goes into detail about contracts and proposals, and even arms you with great wording for defending your pricing and your unique approach to weddings. This course has been tailor-made for farmer-florist, but it is just as useful for any would-be wedding florist. Joining the Farmer Florist School online this fall means you'll be ready to roll into 2022 bookings with confidence.